The main limitations of filtration include its inability to separate dissolved substances, potential clogging of filters, slow filtration rates for fine particles, and the fact that some particles might be too small even for the finest filters. This reminds me of a lab incident. A student once tried to filter salt water to get pure water, spent a whole hour waiting for something to happen. You see, filtration is like trying to catch fish with a net, works great for the fish, but the water just keeps flowing through. No matter how fine your net is, you can't catch what's already dissolved. That's like trying to catch water with water. And don't even get me started on filter clogging. It's like trying to vacuum with a full vacuum bag. Eventually, everything just stops. But that's why we have other separation techniques in our chemistry toolbox. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.